Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to transfer money from PayPal to a Naira account in 2025. If you're in Nigeria or dealing with Naira currency, this guide will save you time and hassle. With the ever-changing world of online finance, 2025 brings some updated features and regulations that make this process smoother than ever. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your PayPal account is fully verified. This is crucial because unverified accounts often face limits on withdrawals. Head to your PayPal dashboard, go to Wallet, and check your verification status. If you're not verified, link a bank account or credit card to get started. It only takes a few minutes. Next, you'll need to connect your Naira bank account. PayPal now integrates with more Nigerian banks in 2025, thanks to new partnerships. Go to Link a Bank in your settings. Select your bank from the list, and follow the prompts to add your account details. Remember, for security, always use two-factor authentication. Now, for the actual transfer. Navigate to your PayPal balance and select Transfer to Bank. Choose your linked Naira account as the destination. You'll see the current exchange rate. Keep an eye on that, as rates fluctuate. In 2025, PayPal has reduced fees for international transfers to Naira, but double-check for any additional charges from your bank. Once you've confirmed the amount, hit Transfer. Processing times are faster now, usually 1 to 3 business days, but it can vary based on your bank's policies. Pro tip: transfer during weekdays to avoid delays. Before we wrap up, a quick word of caution: always monitor for scams. Only use official PayPal channels and never share your login details. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. Transferring money from PayPal to your Naira account is straightforward with these steps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.